Quick cheesecake ice cream tastes really great. Preparation time is only 15 minutes. This is a really a must-try recipe. 300 grams of frozen forest fruit. Other similar fresh or frozen fruit can also be used. For example, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, etc. Optional, save some for decoration and the end of the recipe. 100 grams of sugar. I used brown sugar, but any sugar will do. Juice of 1 orange. Optionally, if you like and have it, add 1 tablespoon of rum. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Turn off the heat and mash. Let it cool slightly before use. Whipping cream must be cold from the refrigerator, but still, even if it's from the fridge, leave the whipped cream, bowl and mix or whisk in the deep freezer for 10 minutes before preparation. Use 500 ml of whipping cream, 2 minutes, top speed. Lean cottage cheese, 250 grams. You can also use cream cheese. 100 grams of sugar. Hazelnut or chocolate spread, 150 grams, dark or light, it doesn't matter. Mix for no longer than 1 minute. Add 1/3 of the mixture. Add a little bit of any crushed biscuits. Add half of the fruit mixture from the beginning of this recipe. It doesn't need to be completely cooled. Add the second third of the mixture. Add some more crushed biscuits. Now add the remaining half of the fruit mixture. Now add the remaining third of the main mixture. Optionally, you can melt 50 grams of dark chocolate and 50 grams of sour cream. You can also add a few drops of rum if you wish. Keep in the freezer for at least 2 hours before serving, but it's the best to leave the ice cream in the deep freeze overnight. Below the video in the description there is a written recipe and a list of ingredients. Watch more than 1500 video recipes on my channel.